Hello guys, today I'm making a video about the battle kits. Okay, let's start. Okay. I'm okay. Okay, let's just see, okay? Okay. Let's just see, okay? 19 o'clock. Okay. Let's start, okay? Okay. Glucosamine desert, okay? Okay. Okay. Come on. Okay. Come on. Okay. So we're actually winning here, which is a good job here. Sometimes I feel like I want to quit. You know how hard it is to upload every single day. Every day I have to edit, put the thumbnail, and all that stuff. You know, it takes very long for me to upload, and then I upload these stuff like every day. So you guys should thank me, okay? I do a lot of work for this. And anyway, continue this with the Jackie Pang. Okay. Oh no. Wait, why did I do that? Okay, Sesame ruined. Okay. Sesame ruined. I don't know what is that law, but I guess I'll go with it. Okay, Sesame ruined. I don't understand that one, okay? You've just gotta understand that. Okay, okay. Okay, there. Come on. Okay, Sesame ruins, okay? We're in Glucosamine desert, and things are going quite good here. Come on, just go for it and win here. Actually, this is like easy as humans. Oh, we have lots of centipede seconds. That is a problem, okay? Just a problem. Come on, you've got to win. We're actually taking like forever in this one, so we should probably be faster, okay? Come on. Okay. We found bricks, okay? Let's just see, okay? Glowing purple. Okay, continue, okay? Come on, Isoflavon cave. Come on, we've got to go with it. Okay. So I got a gory. Definitely have to kill this gory, okay? Ugly old man gory. Okay, the gory actually died, which is a good job here. I cannot believe that, okay? Come on, just win this base. Okay. Okay, come on, faster. Sometimes I really get very angry and because wasting time. You know? You just gotta understand Aiden's situation. Okay? Come on, use this Kachiyama guy. Come on. Okay. Come on. We're actually wasting some time here. Which can be a human, okay? Just do this here. Come on. Okay, Cattle Chain Hill. Okay. Debate, okay? Just definitely gotta do this here. Come on. Definitely use these cats here, okay? Come on. Okay. So the doges and all of those are gone here. I mean, they're just getting gone here, okay? Come on. Okay. Come on. Can we win this first, like, actual humans? I don't know. Okay, oh yeah, there's Gory and Pig and all that, okay? Okay. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Sunset, okay? Sunset. So let's start with that one, okay? Come on. Lycopene sunset. Okay? But I'll just say sunset because I'm too lazy for that, okay? Okay, so sunset have this base here. It's just looking quite good, okay? Come on, you've got to know this. Okay? Okay. So things are going quite well here. If you ask me here. For steer, just kill these useless doges. Okay. Come on. You're wasting a lot of time. If it's not a boar, I'm wasting time here, okay? Come on. Come on. Okay. Come on, Kashiyama. Okay. Oh no. Okay, there's a lot of enemies here. If you ask humans, okay? Come on. Okay, come on here. And then the gories and all those, okay? Come on. Okay. Come on. I don't know why it's so boring one. Let's get this guy, okay? Come on. This game is actually quite boring, if you ask me. Like, don't you feel it like there's nothing to do with this? It's just stupid natures and all that. It's so easy. Come on. Kill the Jackie Pan too. Oh, Mustard A. Oh no, that's a problem. I didn't expect a Mustard A to be in this. Like, that was insane there. Okay. If the Mustard A can die first. Oh, and the Celebudo. Oh yeah. I forgot about this girl, okay? Come on. Get things out. Come on. Just come on. And get this base finished. There's no time to waste here. Just win this guy, okay? Okay. So things are quite okay here. Come on. I don't understand why it's taking so long. Oh no, Celebudo. Okay. And then the Mustard A and stuff people there. Okay, we found some coal. Okay. Okay. Come on. Come on. Okay. Go on with humans. Oh. Okay. Should get the Jurassic Cat Sitter. He can help for the Metal Hippo, okay? He's a good person for Metal Hippo. I can kill him, okay? Come on, use the Fisherman and the Jurassic Cat and all those cats, okay? Come on, Jurassic Cat can... Oh. Jurassic Cat can kill the Metal Hippo. I think so. Come on. Come on, do this here. Okay. Come on. He's not doing anything. I don't know. Come on, just get in there, okay? Bro, we're stuck in here. Come on. Just critical this Metal Hippo guy. And it's okay, okay? Come on. Okay, yes. He's gone, okay? Come on, but more people are also going up there. Come on, okay. Yes, the murder hippo also died, okay? So now use the castaway. Okay, get the Kachiyama, okay? He does a lot of good jobs here. Okay. Come on. Okay. Okay. We're winning here. Come on. Call one. Okay. Oh, this one. Die. Come on. Okay. Come on. Come on. Just come on here. What? No. Okay. That was real fast. Okay, come on. Can we just do this here? And Daction. Okay. Lots of Dactions, okay? Oh no. Daction, don't do this, okay? Oh no. Actually, these dojos are quite good here. I shouldn't really have done that here. Oh no. Here, out of humans. Come on, castaway. Your thingy here. Yeah. No. Okay, the Daction is gonna kill the Katsuyama, okay? Come on, as long as we keep using cats, okay? I'm sure we are okay. Come on, the stupid Dactions. They're not easy. Oh no. Yes, a Daction died. Come on. Oh yeah, and we got more those darks to get more money, okay? Okay, lots of them are gone here. Okay, Daction is gone. Okay. Come on. Faster. Okay. Okay, we're actually doing quite good in this. Like, literal humans, okay? Come on, can we do this to the base? We're taking long. Those darks. Okay, just win this base, okay? Come on. Okay. We got some bricks and 30 careful one leadership. I'm not sure whether we can actually get the Gamatoro thing. Like, come on. Oh yeah, not here. I mean, we're gonna go here and see whether we can. Assistance to the cat base chief engineer leaves forever after project cancellation. What does that mean? Okay, so we need 3 feathers, and we got 11 bricks. Like, literally with 11 bricks. Come on. Swimming cats. Premature launch. Come on, just get in here. Do this base here. Come on. Oh, here might have boar, okay? I mean that boar guy, annoying one. The fat, the red guy. I'm always worried whether they got the boar or not, okay? Come on, get this Katsuyama. Come on. Come on. Oh, we've got to do this here, okay? Just come on here. Oh no. This might take us quite long though. Come on, just do this to the base here. Okay. Come on, you better do it, yeah? Oh no, it's still a waste here. See, Katsuyama wastes his attacks here. That's just really wasted stuff here. And we should Master A. Oh, 2 ones. We can't have 2 Master A's, okay? That'll be quite hard there. But that's still okay. Come on. 2 Master A's. I think they're still okay. Come on, as long... Okay, there's a hippo there. A free hippo. You can actually get... Yeah, good job. To the Katsuyama, okay? Come on. Okay, yes. I think we can actually get a base. Yeah. Don't care of the Master Ace. Fire this people too. So don't care about the Master Ace, okay? Just win this base here. That's all that matters, okay? Okay? Um, 44289 XP. Okay. Deep ocean blue. Okay. We're over here. Oh, okay. So it's this one. You know, I don't care. I know there's no boar, so I'm just gonna go chinchai here. Okay. I'm gonna simply do this here. Oh no, I actually can't kill the Surseal. This is a waste here. Come on. Just, oh my. What? There's unlimited, there's so many seal one. Okay, there's lots of them. Lots and lots, okay? Faster. Okay, yes. Now kill these people, okay? They're quite annoying to me here. Come on, just get the cats. And then win this seal people. Okay. Faster. Okay, Bahamut and Commando. Come on, and also the Jurassics here. Can we just win? Like, I wish this, because it's quite easy, okay? I guess we can just win and then nothing will be wrong, okay? Come on, if we can do this base here, okay? Or is it just seals and crocos? Or else that will be a waste here, okay? Come on. Mermaid Cove. First year. You know, I'm gonna finish this one first, okay? And also get some cat food. If you know what I mean here. Okay. So, okay, I'll do that the next day, okay? Like during Thursday or something. Come on. Just let boy in here. Come on. Yes, just go away. Okay. Okay. So what do we do here? Okay. I should have used this Bahamut useless guy. I should have used the Kachiyama person. He really helped you. Okay, we're getting lots of stuff. Alright. I think we win it. Mermaid Cove. Okay, so we got coal. Chaos Lagoon. Okay, let's do this one, okay? Come on, just Chaos Lagoon here. Come on, okay. Yeah, this one is a chaos, okay? Get the Kachiyama, okay? Okay. Chaos Lagoon. So now we're in Swimming Cats. We already finished Glucosamine Desert. Yeah, we actually did Glucosamine Desert this video, okay? And then now we're gonna finish Swimming Cats, okay? Okay, I think we can get this done here. Come on, yeah, waste your time there, okay? Come on, just let the erasers and all of those catch up, okay? There's a problem when the Uber is fast. But at least we got Swimming Cat, okay? Butterfly Cat. He can actually save us from this Kachiyama, okay? I mean, he can actually save the Kachiyama from any harm or stuff. Faster, just win. I don't want him wasting his time there. Chaos Lagoon. Okay, there's a lot of stuff there. This is actually chaos because it's Chaos Lagoon here. Come on. There's a lot of ducks here. And also, we're in Chaos Lagoon. There's some people here. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Some ducks died, okay? Get the Asilan. Well, they're actually killing a lot of cats. Oh no. We've got to use more. Okay, the Sun Piggy, the second died. It's a good job, okay? Come on, okay. We're actually 20 minutes in this. And we're almost finished with Swimming Cats, okay? Come on, just do this here. And we got our Ceylon, okay? Come on, just kill this middle hippo first. Yeah, okay. He actually died without criticals. That was quite good, okay? Come on. I feel like I can win Teacher Bun Bun with these cats here. First year. I mean, yeah. It looks like I can win Teacher Bun Bun, okay? But maybe not the... Oh, I think Cleveland is a kennel. Okay, that's crazy, okay? Yeah, I'm getting a lot of bricks too. Playing pirates. I do not know what's in here. So, come on. I think we can do another 2 more rounds. Like playing pirates, okay? We got 1 horn, which I don't really mind here. Come on, just come on, and get this ladder guy, Kachiyama. Faster, we're in 2057. Okay. All right, we're at the rhino, which is the 1 horn. I do not care. Come on, come on. He didn't kill the rhino. That's so easy. Okay. Please kill this person. If you mind there, okay? If you don't mind, just kill this 1 horn. What? What? Cannot do this. What? There's no way a 1 horn just push back our Katsuyama. That was insane. Come on, come on. Don't let him waste his attacks here. Yes, yes. Good job here. I think there's actually a boss in this one. Yeah, there's lots of 1 horns. Yeah, how is that a boss? That's just bad, okay? Come on, can we just do this here? Like, just kill these people. I can't use my cats. Okay, oh, these 1 horns are going insane here. You need to kill them here. Yeah, look at that. That's insane amount of rhinos. Okay, let's upgrade this level. Okay, wait, this actually might be, oh, never mind. Okay. I'll just upgrade that. And come on, proceed to the next stage. Come on. Okay. We got some bricks. Fisherman's Dilemma. Master A just came out. It's a really big problem here. Oh, and the Daction. Oh no. Oh no. I don't like these people. I don't like Master A, Daction, Celebudo, all these people. And the Duck too. Senpagi II, Metal Hippos. Yeah, I hate these people, okay? Like, the stories of legend people are super annoying. Like the Daction, okay? I hate Daction. And Boruso. That's why I hate stories of legend. And also Corey's. And the dog thing. And also that thingy. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, I don't like all of these stuff, okay? Like the ostrich. Yeah, I hate that. Black Teacher Bun Bun. And all these other idiots, okay? Which I hate one. Come on. Okay, Fisherman's Dilemma is finished. Seaweed Shallows. Come on, just faster. Seaweed. Oh. What is this? I don't remember, like, what's the boss of this. Okay, let's use this castaway, okay? Yeah. Yes, good. Before the eraser cat died. I mean, before the wall cat died. Come on, just... I actually can't wait for the eraser cat stuff. Because I like it when it's an eraser cat, okay? Better than the wall cat. I like the eraser one, okay? So, I think sooner I can get eraser cat. The Nako one, okay? Come on. Get this Jurassic guy. And oh no. Okay, come on. What's this boss? Like, who can it be? Okay, come on, we just gotta finish this one. Oh, is it Corey or something? No. Come on. Okay, the teacher bear will give us some cash here. And also kill this. Okay. good job, yeah? Come on. Come on. The ball should come out here. Come on. Just get out of that base. I've enough of this. Wait, is there no boss? Oh my goodness, what is that? Oh, that's not the last stage. Oh, this one is the last one, yeah. Oh no, we're almost at the end of the video. Oh no, not this guy. The sloth too, I hate this guy. Okay. This video might be a very long video. I'm sorry for that too. But you've just gotta keep watching, okay? Oh my goodness, we're wasting time. Come on. Okay, Foster, we gotta kill this guy first. There's no more time to waste. Come on, just don't waste time. Okay. Yeah, they're really doing nothing to the sloth guy. Quite bad, okay? Oh, that's bad. Okay, what gacha stuff? Come on, just kill this salty seawater guy. Okay. This video might be 30 minutes over something. Oh, no. Come on. Oh, yay. Come on, we've got to stop this guy. Come on, just kill this guy. Don't want to waste time. Please just listen. And don't waste time. Come on. There's no time to waste. If we can just kill this sloth guy. Okay. Okay, we got those ducks. Come on. Kill these people. They'll give us some cash here. Yes. I think this is actually good news here. Bro. Hate this. Come on. We're off to a new start again. Oh yeah, Celebudo. Come on, come on. Help us get this Kachiyama. This is worse than the face. Oh, come on, there's no time to waste. Didn't I tell people that? I already told this sloth guy that we shouldn't waste time. Okay. Come on. Oh yeah, that's actually good. Come on. Faster! Oh my. Come on. Gotcha stuff. Okay. I don't care. Okay. Come on, we got 1050 cat fruit. But I don't really care. Guys, this is the end of the video. See you guys in the next video.